My name is Sierra. I am 15 years old, and I developed a mobile app that guides coaches and parents in assessing concussions on the playing field, and then assists players with a concussion and their medical team by providing additional data. This project has been inspired by my own life and was performed in conjunction with a medical expert in concussions. Concussions are making headline news with the realization and now admission that multiple concussions when left untreated, cause long-term brain injury. Last week, media outlets reported that the brains of 90 out of 94 former NFL players showed signs of a degenerative multi-concussion trauma called chronic traumatic encephalopathy. U.S. youth soccer is taking action by restricting headers on youth players. This problem has reached Hollywood with a recent box office movie highlighting the effects of concussions. To put this concern in perspective for everyday athletes, approximately 1 in 5 high school students will sustain a concussion throughout their playing career. Football and girls soccer ranked highest among concussions for high school athletes. In typical situations, a coach must make a quick decision regarding whether or not it is safe for a player to return to play after receiving a concussion-inducing blow to the head. However, a coach is not a trained medical professional. With a third of all concussions happening at practice, there won't always be a medical professional around. My concussion app provides a coach or team manager or parent with a medically standardized set of questions to ask a player with a suspected concussion and a means to document the evaluation so the player and their parents can share these results with a medical professional when they seek treatment. Beyond the field, this app allows the player, in association with a medical professional, to track and record their symptoms during their recovery process. Currently, follow-up evaluations are done often in high school trainers' offices on paper forms. This app allows for tracking over time and for the questionnaire to be administered when the player is having symptoms, then later shared with a medical expert. I myself am a soccer player and a 2016 high school state soccer champion. I was inspired to create this mobile app because I've had many teammates sustain concussions. In the summer of 2014, my close friend was hit in the head while practicing free kicks. She sustained a concussion from this hit but had no way of knowing this at the field. Eventually, she received treatment from a concussion specialist. She struggled with her grades and her ability to focus, so she had to quit soccer altogether as to avoid further injury. This event inspired me to develop this app because I feel that if she had been immediately tested at the field, she would have had additional data to guide her in her recovery, and she would have recovered sooner. The concussion specialist who had been working with my friend has guided the development and medical aspect of this app. The ideas of STEM were very important of the development of this app, the biggest being technology. My project is a mobile application for one's cell phone, the main source of technology my generation uses. I utilize skills in computer science and programming in the development of this app. I coded through a program called LiveCode. A fundamental skill in STEM is solving complex problems. As I had to design the app from scratch while learning the computer science and programming skills at the same time, I certainly gained problem-solving skills that will be useful in my future STEM career. While I may or may not pursue a career in computer science, I plan to continue developing apps in the future. I feel that as a young woman, I can use this technology to help solve problems that are relevant to me and my peers, things that men and older engineers may not see the same way my friends and I do. The app development project helped build my character by forcing me to act like a professional. I not only had to meet deadlines while learning a new technology, but I learned how to hold professional business conversations with experts, in this case, a medical expert in concussions. Quite an expansion of my comfort zone. In my mobile app development class of 25 students, being one of 5 girls was a harsh realization about how few girls there are in STEM. While many of my friends are mostly bright, talented individuals, many believe STEM isn't for them. I'm looking at taking my app to the online marketplace in the near future, first promoting it regionally and then nationally. Ideally, I can continue this project, perhaps even being a role model for other soccer girls interested in using technology to solve problems relevant to them. In terms of the internship, I have always been a huge fan of Marvel. I have seen all of the movies and read many of the comics. Being able to work alongside some of the most creative and innovative minds in computer animation and interactive media would give me many valuable skills to which I could take back and utilize not only in this app, but in future digital media to come. One of my challenges in developing my app was being satisfied with how the app looked and understanding what would be visually appealing to different types of users. While I could contribute my computer programming skills to an internship, I hope that I would be exposed to the best in animation, graphics, and visualization, learning how this is done at the highest of professional levels. My name is Sierra. My app is in the final stages of development, and I will take it to the online marketplace this spring, where it will impact not only my friends, but the 2 million kids in youth girls soccer and the 4 million in youth football. Thank you.